Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a folder in iPhone photo album. So I'm update my iPhone iOS 26. So look for this, my photo apps showing here two different way, library and collection. Press on. Okay. Then showing here to all list, this option, find here album. Just press on to album and press on album name. Then you get create option, plus option, new folder or new album. Like I'm create new folder, press on, rename the new folder, add album, press on right mark, press on create, and that's it.